Confused about which night vision dash cam is worth your money? Let's make it easy. In this video, we break down the best dash cam for cars with night vision. We test video clarity, storage, and app control. You will know which one fits your needs fast. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best dash cam for cars with night vision. Let's get started. 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam Front and Rear. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam is a simple and smart pick for daily drivers. It records in 4K at the front and Full HD at the rear. Videos look sharp in the day and stay clear at night. The Starvis 2 sensor helps reduce dark spots and glare. You can see cars, signs, and plates with better detail. It also comes with a free 128GB card, so you can use it right out of the box. It also supports parking mode, which adds extra safety when the car is off. This adds peace of mind in busy areas. The price usually ranges between $120 and $150, which feels fair. Verdict: a good dash cam for anyone who wants clear video, easy use, and strong night recording. 2. 4K plus 4K Dashcam Front and Rear by Terransol. The 4K plus 4K Dashcam Front and Rear by Terransol is built for drivers who want full detail from both cameras. It records in 4K at the front and 4K at the rear, which is rare at this price. Footage looks sharp in daylight and stays usable at night. Lights from other cars do not wash out the image too much. The wide 170-degree angle helps cover more of the road. A free 128GB card is included, so you can start fast. It comes with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick file transfers. The built-in GPS tracks speed and route, which can help in case of disputes. The 3-inch screen is simple and clear. You can review clips or adjust settings with no stress. It also supports up to 512 GB of storage, which is great for long trips. Parking mode adds extra safety when the car is parked. The price usually ranges between $110 and $140. Verdict: best dash cam for users who want true 4K on both cameras and wide road coverage at a fair cost. 3. REDTIGER 4K Dashcam Front Rear F7NP. The REDTIGER 4K Dashcam Front Rear gives you strong video quality with simple controls. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear captures clear, full HD video. Night clips look steady and bright with WDR support and the Starvis 2 sensor. Headlights and streetlights feel more balanced, so details stay visible. GPS tracking is built in, letting you check speed and routes where needed. The 170-degree wide view covers more lanes, which helps on busy roads. It also supports parking mode for extra safety when your car is off. The design feels solid but still compact enough for most windshields. The price usually ranges between $100 and $130. Verdict: a smart dashcam pick for drivers who want balanced night video, GPS tracking, and steady overall performance. 4. Galphi 4K Dashcam Front. Galphi 4K Dashcam Front keeps things small but still very useful. It records in clear 4K, which helps show sharp details on the road. Night video looks better than many budget models. The Super Night Vision helps reduce blur and keeps lights under control. It comes with a 64GB card, so you can start using it right away. The compact size makes it easy to hide behind the mirror. Loop recording keeps saving new footage over old files, so storage stays managed. The G-sensor locks the clips during sudden stops or hits. It also supports a 24-hour parking monitor for extra safety. The setup feels quick and simple. The price usually ranges between $60 and $90, which makes it budget-friendly. Verdict: a great fit for users who want a small, low-cost dashcam with solid night video and easy daily use.
5. Dashcam Front and Rear 2.5K plus 1080p by E-YEEGER. The Dashcam front and rear 2.5K plus 1080p by E-YEEGER offers a simple setup with steady performance. The front camera records in 2.5K, giving sharper detail than standard Full HD. The rear camera captures clear 1080p video for added coverage. Night recording works well, with lights kept under control. You can still see cars and road signs without heavy blur. A 32GB card comes included, so you can start right away. The small 2-inch display keeps things neat and easy to use. Buttons feel simple and menus are easy to follow. The 170-degree wide angle helps cover more of the road. Loop recording keeps saving new clips over old ones. The G sensor locks important footage during sudden moves. Parking mode adds extra safety when your car is left alone. It is also compact, so it does not block your view while driving. The price usually ranges between $50 and $80, making it very affordable. Verdict: a smart dashcam option for budget users who want dual cameras, simple controls, and steady night recording. 6. Dashcam 1296p Front V300 by Veement. The Dashcam 1296p Front V300 by Veement is made for drivers who want a clean and simple setup. It records in 1296p, which is sharper than basic 1080p. The video looks clear in the day and stays decent at night. It captures road signs and nearby cars without much blur. The small design helps it stay hidden on the windshield. This makes it a good choice for a neat car setup. This dashcam has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect your phone with ease. The app lets you view and save clips in a few taps. Loop recording keeps things running without manual work. The G sensor saves clips during sudden stops or hits. It also supports 24-hour parking mode for extra safety. Setup is quick and doesn't take much time. The price usually ranges between $40 and $70, which is easy on the budget. Verdict: best dashcam for drivers who want a small, simple dashcam with excellent video and easy phone control.
7. Biuone Dashcam Front and Rear 1080p. The Biuone Dashcam Front and Rear 1080p is a basic option that covers both front and back views. It records in Full HD, which is good enough for daily driving. Daytime video looks clear, and night footage stays usable with its night vision support. You can still notice cars, lights, and road signs without too much blur. A 32GB card is included, so you can start recording right away. The design is simple and easy to handle. The screen is small but works fine for checking clips. Loop recording keeps saving new videos over old ones, so you don't need to manage storage often. The G sensor locks important clips during sudden stops. It also has motion detection and parking mode for extra safety when the car is parked. Setup is quick and controls feel easy to learn. The price usually ranges between $30 and $60, making it very budget-friendly. Verdict: a good dashcam choice for beginners who want a low-cost, easy dashcam with dual cameras and basic safety features. Which best dashcam for cars with night vision should you buy? If you want top video quality, go with ROVE R2 4K or Torrential 4K plus 4K. For balanced features and GPS, REDTIGER F7 NP works well. On a tight budget, Galphi 4K gives strong value. E-YEEGER suits simple dual recording needs. The Veement V300 fits users who want a small front cam. Biuone 1080p is best for basic use at the lowest cost. Pick based on your budget, video quality needs, and whether you want front-only or dual cameras.